Hey chess players, look at the red arrows going across the board. Well, those red arrows represent what we call ranks. So now, take a look at the numbers on the left side of the chessboard. You see it says number 1 going up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look at the number 7. That square is colored red. Look at the arrow going across. So that is known as the 7th rank. Look at number 5. It has a red square. It has an arrow going across. That is known as the 5th rank. Look at number 3. It has the red color square. It has an arrow going across. That is known as the 3rd rank. Look at number 1. It has a red color square. It has an arrow going across. Can you guess what that's called? It's called the 1st rank. Now look at number 8 where the king stands. That is called the 8th rank. Look at number 6. That is called the 6th rank. Look at number 4. That is called the 4th rank. And once again, can you guess what number 2 is called? It is called the 2nd rank. So those are called ranks. R-A-N-K-S. So you have 8 ranks total. And ranks. So now let us observe the green arrows. Notice that they go up and down. Also notice that we have letters at the bottom going from A to H. Look at the letter A. It has that red color square, right? So now going up, that is called the A file. Look at the letter C. It's colored red. It has an arrow going up. That is known as the C file. Look at the letter E. Has the red color square. That is known as the E file. Look at letter G. Can you guess what file that is? Right, the G file. So likewise, you have the B, D, F, and H. So if you start from B, going up, that is called the B file. You start from D, going up, that is called the D file.